I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of Sri Lanka to introduce a statement by the Minister.
Mr. President, I have the honor to introduce the pre-recorded statement by the Honorable Pavitra Devi Vanyarachi, the Minister of Health of Sri Lanka, at this high-level meeting on HIV/AIDS.
Chairperson, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the President of Sri Lanka, I am privileged to address this august audience at this unprecedented, challenging time. Globally, there is consensus that activities for HIV prevention and care services need to be accelerated to reach the SDG targets of ending AIDS by 2030. This has become possible due to major scientific breakthroughs in approaches to HIV prevention and treatment, early diagnosis, and early initiation of antiretroviral treatment for people living with HIV has extended their lifespan. Further, the risk of HIV transmission has been significantly reduced due to lowered viral load in the community following early initiation of antiretroviral treatment for people living with HIV. However, the cost of lifelong maintenance of HIV medication can drain significant resources from limited health budgets. Sri Lanka is considered as low HIV prevalent country up to now. Further, I am proud to state that in 2019, Sri Lanka achieved the goal of eliminating mother-to-child transmission of HIV and received the validation certificate from the World Health Organization. Sri Lanka has adopted the Sustainable Development Goals target of end AIDS in Sri Lanka as specified the global technical partners. The current pandemic of COVID-19 poses new challenges for the HIV prevention and provision of care for those who are living with HIV. I am happy to state that Sri Lanka has taken steps to use the online tools and maintain HIV prevention and care services using virtual platforms. I humbly request all the dignitaries not to forget the emphasis given to prevention and provision of care for people living with HIV while combating COVID-19 pandemic as well as treating COVID-19 patients with HIV without any discrimination. Thank you.
I thank the Minister of Health of Sri Lanka for the statement just made.